Welcome. In case you didn't know, if you are using a 3D asset and want to do some changes, you can use the gizmo to move, rotate, or scale your objects. Here, I have a simple scene in Badvisor and can press Shift and left click. Or in the outliner, open 3D elements and click here to open the properties of my 3D asset. Make sure that you are on the node of the 3D asset and not the parent, because this might affect other assets within the parenting. If you want to know more about object parents, please check our quick tutorial, Parent Objects in Badvisor. Now, you can click on any of the objects that you want. Position, rotation, and scale. You can always use the arrows and the axis of the gizmo or simply input the values directly on the node. The rotation is by default set to global, so if your object is rotated, you can always click here to change the rotation to local. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.